This episode is sponsored by Honeybadger. In addition to Honeybadger's great error monitoring service, they also have an uptime monitoring for web developers. And Honeybadger has recently shipped an update that allows for public status pages that can help communicate outages to your customers. In addition to your uptime monitoring, Honeybadger now monitors your SSL certificates. And Honeybadger now has actions which will allow you to do bulk updates to all your errors, or you can set defaults for incoming errors. In this episode, we're going to look how we can select multiple items in a list, and then we're going to be able to edit these selected items in a bulk fashion. So before we had a quantity of 100, and I'm just going to change this to 99, and maybe we want to select a different category. We'll update this, and then we see that the items that we have selected have then updated to a different category, and the quantity has also changed. And we're also going to look at doing a bulk update to where we can select everything, and when we update it and save the changes, we'll then see everything has saved. And sometimes when working with a bulk update and you select all the records, there could be some issues where when you start selecting some of these items, it can be a bit confusing if that select all was still selected. So we'll be handling these situations in this episode. And to do this, we're not going to reach for any kind of external gem. We're only going to be using what's provided in Rails, and we will be using a stimulus controller to handle some of the front-end functionality. To watch this full episode and more videos, visit driftinruby.com and subscribe to the Pro membership.